Recommended arrival procedures. Code 5, Bib 5, Kaiser 9. Advise on the...
Pushback approved. Tail to the east. Emirates 232 might be your pizza.
Washington Dulles ground. Emirates 232 Echo Kilo. Ready for pushback with information X-ray. Requesting runway 30. Washington Dulles ground. Asiana 064 Kilo Echo. Ready for pushback. Requesting runway. Emirates 232 Echo Kilo. Pushback approved. Tail to the east. Asiana 064 Kilo Echo. Pushback approved. Tail to the north. Washington Dulles ground. Air India 101 Heavy. Ready to taxi with information X-ray. Pushback approved. Tail to the north. Asiana 064 Kilo Echo. Pushback approved. Tail to the east. Emirates 232 Echo Kilo. Air India 101 Heavy. Runway 1 center. Taxi via Delta. Yankee 9er. Contact tower when ready. Taxiing to runway 1 center via Delta. Yankee 9er. Air India 101 Heavy.
Washington Dulles ground. Emirates 232 Mike Zulu Super. Ready to taxi with information X-ray.
LATAM Columbia 99 X-ray. Taxi to remote stand R17 via Yankee. Zulu 3, Zulu. Washington Dulles ground. Korean Air 1171. Ready for pushback. Requesting runway 1 center. Washington Dulles ground. Moxie 321. Ready to taxi to runway 1 center with information Whiskey. Emirates 232 Mike Zulu Super. Runway 1 center. Taxi via Charlie. Yankee 7. Yankee 9er. Contact tower when ready. Korean Air 1171. Pushback approved. Tail to the east. Taxiing to runway 1 center via Charlie. Yankee 7. Yankee 9er. Moxie 321. LATAM Columbia 99 X-ray. Taxi to Midfield Terminal Gate C32 via Yankee.
Taxiing to runway 30 via Charlie. Zulu. Yankee 11. Zulu on 101. Taxiing to runway 1 center via Charlie. Yankee 7. Yankee 9er. Emirates 232 Mike Zulu Super.
Washington Dulles ground. LATAM Columbia 99 X-ray. Request taxi to Gate C32A at the Midfield Terminal. Washington Dulles ground. LATAM Columbia 99 X-ray. Request taxi to Gate 232 at the Midfield Terminal. Washington Dulles ground. Delta 1444. Ready for pushback with information X-ray. Requesting runway 1 center. LATAM Columbia 99 X-ray. Taxi to Midfield Terminal Gate C32A via Yankee.
Taxiing to Midfield Terminal Gate C32A by Yankee. LATAM Columbia 99 X-ray.
Washington Dulles ground. Asiana 064 Kilo Echo. Ready to taxi to runway 30. Asiana 064 Kilo Echo. Runway 30. Taxi via Charlie. Zulu. Yankee 11. Contact tower when ready. Taxiing to runway 30 via Charlie. Zulu. Yankee 11. Asiana 064 Kilo Echo.
Standby. Ulrich on 101.
Washington Dulles ground. United 1050. Ready for pushback with information X-ray.
Standby. Ulrich on 101.
Washington Dulles ground. United 1964. Request taxi to Gate D10 at the Midfield Terminal. Delta 1444. Pushback approved. Tail to the north. Pushback approved. Tail to the north. Delta 1444. Washington Dulles ground. LATAM Columbia 99 X-ray. Request taxi to Gate D24 at the Midfield Terminal. LATAM Columbia 99 X-ray. Taxi to parking. At your discretion. Washington Dulles ground. Victor Tango Victor India Victor. Ready for pushback with information X-ray. Requesting runway 1 center.
Taxi to parking. LATAM Columbia 99 X-ray.
United 1050. Pushback approved. Tail to the east. Pushback approved. Tail to the east. United 1050. Victor Tango Victor India Victor, pushback approved, tail to the east. United 1964, taxi to midfield terminal gate D10 via Echo. Pushback approved, tail to the east, Victor Tango Victor India Victor. Washington Dulles ground, American 171 Heavy, request taxi to parking. Taxiing to midfield terminal gate D10 via Echo, United 1964. Washington Dulles ground, Qatari 756, ready for pushback with information X-ray. American 171 Heavy, taxi to parking, at your discretion. Qatari 756, pushback approved, tail to the east. Pushback approved, tail to the east, Qatari 7... Washington Dulles ground, Emirates 232 Echo Kilo, ready to taxi to runway 30 with information X-ray. 2 Echo Kilo, runway 30, taxi via Bravo, Zulu, Yankee 11, contact tower when ready. Taxiing to runway 30 via Bravo, Zulu, Yankee 11, Emirates 232 Echo Kilo. Victor Tango Victor India Victor, runway 1 center, taxi via Echo, Yankee 9er, contact tower when ready. Victor Tango Victor, FedEx 973, pushback approved, tail to the north. United 796, push.
Taxiing to runway 30 via Foxtrot, Zulu, Yankee 11, United 4827.
Emirates 232 Echo Kilo, request frequency change. You were already instructed to change frequency. Wilco, United 1496. United 1050, wind 170 at 3, runway 1 center, cleared for Washington Dulles Tower, Emirates 232 Echo Kilo, ready for departure in sequence at runway 30, departing north. 170 at 3, runway 30, cleared for takeoff, fly runway heading until at or above 3,000 feet. On upon 101, contact Potomac approach on 126.1.
Contacting Potomac approach on 126.1, all Nippon 101.
Attention all aircraft, please stand by, controller changes in process. Washington Dulles traffic, Emirates 232 Echo Kilo is taking off runway 30, departing north. Washington Dulles traffic, Air Canada 2154, taxiing to runway 1 center.
Washington Dulles traffic, Oscar Hotel November Oscar is 12 nautical miles to the south at 2,000 feet, inbound for landing, will make straight in for runway 1 right. Washington Dulles traffic, United 4827 is taking off runway 30, departing west.
Washington Dulles traffic, FedEx 973, taxiing to runway 1 center.
Washington Dulles Tower, United 4827, ready for departure at runway 30, departing west.
United 4827, wind 170 at 3, runway 30, cleared for takeoff. Washington Dulles Tower, Delta 1444, ready for departure at runway 1 center, departing south.
Cleared for takeoff, runway 30, United 4827.
Qatari 756, wind 170 at 3, runway 1 center, cleared for takeoff.
Cleared for takeoff, runway 1 center, Qatar 756.
Delta 1444, line up and wait runway 1 center. Line up and wait runway 1 center, Delta 1444.
Washington Dulles Tower, Southwest 3824, inbound on the ILS runway 1 right. Washington Dulles Tower, Oscar Hotel November Oscar Oscar, inbound on the GTS runway 1 right with information X-ray.
Washington Dulles Tower, Emirates 232, ready for departure in sequence at runway.
Wind 170 at 3, number 2, runway 1 right, cleared to land.
Number 2, clear to land, runway 1 right.
Emirates 232 Echo Kilo, request frequency change. Number 1, cleared to land, runway 1 center, United 842. November 1 Delta Lima, exit runway 180 and contact ground, please expedite, traffic on final.
Wilco, November 1 Delta Lima.
Emirates 232, cancel takeoff. Emirates 232 Echo Kilo, frequency change approved, good day. Qatar, frequency change approved Emirates 232 Echo Kilo, good day.
Frequency change approved Qatar 756, good day.
Delta 1444, frequency change approved, good day. Frequency change approved Delta 1444, good day. Oscar Hotel November Oscar Oscar, exit runway when able and contact ground, please expedite, traffic on final. Washington Dulles Tower, November 749 Juliet Alpha, inbound on the ILS runway 1 right.
Wilco, Oscar Hotel November Oscar Oscar.
November 749 Juliet Alpha, wind 170 at 3, number 2, runway 1 right, cleared to land. Number 2, cleared to land, runway 1 right, November 749 Juliet Alpha. United 4827, frequency change approved, good day. Emirates 232, line up and wait runway 1 center.
Frequency change approved United 4827, good day.
Line up and wait runway 1 center, Emirates 232.
Washington Dulles Tower, United 151 Super, inbound on the ILS runway 1 center. United 151 Super, wind 170 at 3, number 1, runway 1 center, cleared to land. United 842, exit runway when able, contact ground on the taxiway. Wilco, United 842. Number 1, cleared to land, runway 1 center, United 15.
Did you try to break my heart? Were we meant to fall apart? I'm standing with my hands tied, wondering if I should try to change your mind. Or should I give up without a fight? Maybe we still have a shot to be alright, so I'm waiting for you.